I'm Mark Robideau. I'm the R&D Product Manager here at Eastwood. What we got here is a 1980 Firebird Trans AM. Always wanted to build a Smokey and the Bandit clone. Been looking for one of these for a little while. Something had to have the T-tops, shaker hood obviously. Couldn't really find one with good T-top channels that weren't rotted, so I came across this one on Facebook Marketplace. Neither of the T-tops are actually latched and sealed. So the water and snow running through there saved the channels from rotting, but took out the floor below. So picked it up. Basically, I spent about $4,500 for a $1,700 car once I started tearing it apart. Where we are right now, you can see it's disassembled. The rear hasn't come out yet in the subframe. The big thing is sheet metal work and the floor. The floor, both rockers, inner and outer, are gone. So we teamed up with Firebird Central. And the reason that we did that, they got probably the best metal in the business and best collection of everything that we needed. So we didn't have to go shopping from company to company. The stigma out there is that aftermarket and OE sheet metal don't play good together. Well, we're going to show you that they do. And if they don't exactly fit, you don't have to go crying on some website or forum like that. We're going to show you the tools, and just with a couple tweaks here and there, how you can shrink, stretch, and pull metal and move it so that it lines up perfect. So where we are, what you're going to see the videos coming out of this, the first thing is the passenger side rocker. Inner is really bad rocker also. Driver's side here, not too bad, just a outer rocker on that. Remove the rest of the floor, get that out of there, and then we'll go ahead, tail panel. That's the other big damaged area. Once that's replaced, we're putting door skins on. So we're gonna use Firebird Central's aftermarket door skins on the OE doors. You know, we're really gonna see how these things play together between marrying up the OE and the aftermarket. We have deck lid moving forward. Toe boards need to be replaced in there. All sheet metal forward of firewall. Rad support, fenders. From the factory, these cars and the Camaros also had that plastic wheel fairing on there with the gasket that just holds water and all kinds of debris underneath. So what I'm going to do is recreate that exact shape out of 18 gauge and then go ahead and blend that right into the forward part of the quarter panel. So we'll get rid of that gasket altogether and it should look really smooth. As you guys know, any of these projects, you need something to keep you going. You know, there's times when you just get dragged down by one of these projects. It's nice to have something that shows where you're going to be 2 months from now. And that's it. I got the steering wheel. So that's pretty much it. You know, a lot of it, but the rest of it's just a nice little puzzle. Just start bolting sheet metal back on.